Elements of corporate behaviors. I want to share with you something truly valuable: understanding corporate behaviors. This series is designed to help you navigate the complexities of the workplace with ease. Drawing from over 27 years of experience in the oil and gas industry across various countries, I've put together practical advice that isn't just theoretical, it's been tested and proven effective. Tester 1. Why should you learn about corporate behaviors? Corporate behaviors are different from your personal behaviors, and they play a crucial role in your success within any business environment. These behaviors are a set of learned and practiced traits, not necessarily connected to your natural talents, skills, or discipline. Corporate behaviors focus on human interactions, verbal, nonverbal, individual, and group dynamics within a business setting. They help you blend your individuality with the structured corporate environment, making you a more effective and harmonious participant. By understanding corporate behaviors, you contribute positively to both your own success and the company's success. 2. Corporate behaviors versus personal life. Your personal life is distinct from your corporate life, but they influence each other significantly. A smooth and stress-free work life positively impacts your personal life. In your career, you'll interact with more strangers in the workplace than with friends and family, so understanding corporate behaviors is essential. While you may be talented and unique, adopting certain behaviors in the workplace allows you to fully express yourself within a structured environment. Practicing corporate behaviors over time will directly enhance your personal life. Corporate behaviors are learned traits. You are trained in your specific discipline, but not necessarily in human interaction within a workplace. Corporate behaviors focus on human aspects rather than just technical skills or talents. While you bring certain behaviors from your personal life, corporate behaviors expand on these to help you navigate the structured corporate environment. Adopting these behaviors ensures that interactions in the workplace are smooth and harmonious. 4. Corporate behaviors deal with human interaction in business environments. While you may be a specialist in your field, your interactions with colleagues are just as important as your technical work. You spend a significant portion of your day at work, so learning corporate behaviors can make this time more pleasant and productive. Every company has its own rules and structure, and learning corporate behaviors helps you navigate these while retaining your individuality. Understanding and adapting to the varied personalities in your workplace is key to creating a positive work experience. Corporate discipline and the human element. Success in a corporate environment depends on blending your individual interaction style with the company's rules. Discipline in the workplace refers to structure, not strictness, allowing for positive, cooperative relationships with colleagues. The human element is crucial in workplace dynamics. It's the people, not the rules, who make the work environment enjoyable or challenging. Effective corporate behaviors prioritize the human element, ensuring that interactions are positive and productive. 6. Your role in corporate behavior. Corporate behavior is about increasing your awareness of how your actions affect others and vice versa. As a member of a team or department, improving your interactions through corporate behaviors will first benefit you, leading to smoother work processes. Harmonizing your individual behavior with the expectations of the workplace is key to success. It's often said that 85% of your career success depends on your soft skills, while only 15% is related to your technical expertise. Understanding your uniqueness and what the workplace requires of you will have a profound impact on both your personal life and your career. Conclusion: the advantages of knowing corporate behaviors in daily work. By mastering corporate behaviors, you'll find that your daily work becomes more manageable, efficient, and enjoyable. Understanding how to interact with colleagues, navigate company structures, and blend your individuality with corporate expectations will lead to a more harmonious work environment. You'll be better equipped to handle challenges, reduce workplace stress, and build stronger professional relationships. On the other hand, not knowing or practicing these corporate behaviors can lead to misunderstandings, increased stress, and a disconnect between you and your colleagues. It can make your work environment more challenging, limit your ability to fully express your talents within the company's structure, and ultimately hinder your career progression. Attitude, personal and corporate. I want to share with you something crucial: understanding both personal and corporate attitudes. This module is designed to help you navigate the workplace with a clear understanding of how your attitude, shaped by both internal and external factors, plays a significant role in your professional life. By delving into the nuances of personal and corporate attitudes, you'll be better equipped to align your behavior with the expectations of the workplace while maintaining your individuality. Corporate attitudes. Corporate attitudes are not just about following a set of written rules and policies. They encompass the overall culture, both written and unwritten, within a company. In this section, you'll learn how to focus on tasks, actions, and communication in a way that aligns with the corporate culture. You'll also explore the importance of being present, separating personal and professional associations, and fostering cooperation and collaboration. Understanding corporate attitudes is critical because it directly impacts how you fit into the organization and how you are perceived by your colleagues. A deep understanding of corporate attitudes allows you to navigate the workplace effectively, ensuring that your actions and decisions are aligned with the company's goals. On the other hand, not understanding or misaligning with corporate attitudes can lead to conflicts, misunderstandings, and a sense of alienation from the corporate environment, which can hinder your professional growth. Personal attitude. Your personal attitude is shaped by various factors, including your upbringing, social background, culture, and personal beliefs. This section will help you understand how these factors influence your behavior and how you can consciously alter your attitudes to better align with your professional environment. You'll also learn how to channel your personal attitudes in a way that positively impacts both your work and personal life. Grasping the nuances of personal attitude is essential because it governs how you interact with the world around you. A well-understood personal attitude allows you to approach your work with confidence and clarity, fostering better relationships and improving your overall performance. However, if you fail to recognize the influence of your personal attitude on your professional life, it can lead to conflicts, reduced job satisfaction, and a lack of harmony in your interactions with others. The NLP, Neuro-Linguistic Programming, model. NLP provides tools and techniques to help you understand and modify your attitudes and behaviors. In this section, you'll explore how your internal state and subconscious patterns influence your perception and behavior. By understanding the cause and effect relationship between human experience and behavior, you'll be able to make conscious changes that improve your professional interactions. Understanding and applying NLP is crucial because it empowers you to take control of your behavior and attitudes, enabling you to respond to workplace challenges more effectively. The ability to adjust your behavior based on a deeper understanding of your subconscious patterns can lead to more positive outcomes in your professional life. Conversely, ignoring these insights can result in repetitive negative patterns, miscommunication, and missed opportunities for growth. Subconscious behavior patterns. This section delves into various subconscious behavior patterns, such as how you direct your attention, your understanding of details, and your approach to action. By recognizing these patterns, you can better understand your own behaviors and how they align or conflict with your workplace environment. Recognizing and understanding your subconscious behavior patterns is key to personal and professional development. These patterns influence your daily decisions and interactions, often without you even realizing it. By becoming aware of them, you can make more informed choices that align with your goals and values. Failing to understand these patterns can lead to unconscious behaviors that may not serve your best interests, potentially creating conflicts and reducing your effectiveness at work. Corporate attitudes, written and unwritten rules. Corporate attitudes are shaped by both the official rules and the unwritten norms within the workplace. This section explores how the collective attitude of a company can influence your personal ethics and moral boundaries over time, and how to navigate these influences while maintaining your integrity. Understanding the written and unwritten corporate attitudes is vital because it helps you navigate the workplace with a clear understanding of what is expected of you. Knowing how to align with or distance yourself from certain corporate behaviors ensures that you can work effectively while maintaining your personal values. Without this understanding, you risk becoming entangled in office politics, gossip, or unethical practices that can erode your sense of self and professional integrity. How the collective affects individual attitude. The collective corporate attitude can significantly influence your personal attitude, especially if you are exposed to it for an extended period. This section discusses how to maintain your personal integrity while adapting to the corporate environment, and the importance of focusing on objective rather than subjective interactions. Being aware of how the collective corporate attitude influences you is crucial for maintaining a balanced and healthy professional life. By understanding these dynamics, you can choose how to interact with others in a way that is true to yourself while still being effective in your role. Ignoring the influence of the collective attitude can lead to unconscious conformity, where you may find yourself adopting behaviors that conflict with your personal values, ultimately leading to dissatisfaction and a lack of fulfillment in your work. Each section of this module emphasizes the importance of understanding both personal and corporate attitudes, the benefits of aligning them with professional expectations, and the potential pitfalls of not being aware of these dynamics.
Cooperation versus collaboration, understanding the difference and their workplace impacts. I've often found that people use the terms cooperation and collaboration interchangeably, but they're quite different in practice. Both are essential for teamwork, but understanding their distinctions can make a significant difference in how you contribute to and lead within a team. Let me break this down for you, weaving in practical insights and actionable advice. What is cooperation? Cooperation is about sharing resources or information to enable others to complete their tasks. Think of it as dividing responsibilities for a common goal. For example, if you're working on a report with colleagues, each person takes a specific section to write independently, and you compile it later. Key features of cooperation: division of labor among participants, active willingness to assist others when needed, requires conscious effort and a mindset that values collective success. Cooperation is foundational for effective teamwork because it ensures tasks are distributed and completed efficiently. However, it often lacks the deeper synergy that collaboration can bring. What is collaboration? Collaboration goes beyond simply dividing tasks. It's about working together simultaneously toward a shared goal. In a collaborative environment, there's constant interaction and joint problem solving. For instance, brainstorming solutions to a client's challenge or coding together on the same feature set for a software project are examples of collaboration. Key features of collaboration: synchronous activity, where individuals maintain a shared understanding of the problem and goals. Involves active participation from everyone, often requiring real-time discussions and feedback. Relies on human instincts to connect, share ideas, and work cohesively as a group. Collaboration thrives when there's mutual trust, open communication, and a clear vision of the shared objective. It's particularly useful for complex projects that require creativity and innovation. Challenges in corporate structures. One of the biggest barriers to cooperation and collaboration I've observed in organizations is the hierarchical structure. When departments or business units compete for resources, recognition, or budgets, it can create silos that disrupt teamwork. For example, I've seen marketing and sales teams fail to collaborate effectively because their goals were misaligned, with one focusing on lead generation and the other on closing deals. This competition undermined trust and delayed progress on shared objectives. Healthy competition, a better alternative. Instead of fostering unhealthy competition between individuals or departments, focus on competing with yourself. Personal and professional growth comes from striving to improve your own skills and performance. Avoid competing with others. Competing directly with teammates can breed distrust and harm relationships. Focus on self-improvement. Set personal goals, such as learning a new skill or increasing efficiency, to channel competitive energy positively. For example, challenge yourself to deliver projects more efficiently or learn a tool that benefits the entire team, rather than trying to outperform colleagues. Reframing the idea of a career. I've noticed that many people get caught up in climbing the career ladder, which can inadvertently encourage competition rather than collaboration. Instead, think of your work as meaningful daily contributions and focus on personal growth. For example, instead of aiming solely for a promotion, strive to excel in your current role while building relationships and learning skills that benefit both you and your team. The role of subconscious patterns and personality. Cooperation and collaboration often depend on subconscious personality traits. Some people naturally prefer cooperation, working independently within a shared framework, while others thrive in collaborative environments where they can interact and co-create with others. Developing awareness of your tendencies can help you adapt to different situations. For instance, if you're more inclined toward cooperation, but find yourself in a collaborative team, practice active listening and contribute ideas during brainstorming sessions to strengthen your participation. Key takeaways for workplace harmony. Cooperation and collaboration are both vital. Cooperation ensures efficiency by dividing tasks, while collaboration enhances creativity and problem solving through an effort. Competition can undermine teamwork. Avoid fostering unhealthy competition within teams or across departments. Instead, focus on self-improvement and shared success. Foster trust and shared goals. Both cooperation and collaboration thrive in environments where team members trust each other and work toward common objectives. Understanding and balancing cooperation and collaboration in your workplace interactions can transform how you work with others. Whether you're dividing tasks or brainstorming ideas, these principles help you build stronger relationships, achieve shared goals, and create a more harmonious team dynamic. Practical examples of cooperation versus collaboration in the workplace. Cooperation examples. Example, dividing responsibilities in a report. In a cooperative setup, a team is tasked with preparing a comprehensive report. Each team member is assigned a specific section, such as research, writing, or formatting, and they work independently. Once everyone completes their part, the sections are compiled into a final document. Example, sharing resources between teams. Two departments, marketing and sales, need access to customer data. The marketing team provides insights on target demographics, while the sales team uses this information to tailor their pitches. Each department works independently, but shares resources to achieve their individual goals. Example, assisting a colleague. A team member struggles with understanding a new software tool. You step in to teach them the basics, enabling them to complete their tasks. While you're not directly working on their project, your support helps them move forward. Example, supporting cross-department initiatives. The HR department is planning a company-wide event. While other departments don't collaborate directly on the event, they provide logistical support, such as sharing attendee lists or helping with venue arrangements. Example, independent contributions to a fundraiser. A charity fundraiser is organized by a company with different teams responsible for separate tasks. One team handles sponsorships, another plans logistics, and a third manages social media promotion. Everyone works independently but cooperates to achieve the shared goal. Collaboration examples. Example, brainstorming a new marketing campaign. In a collaborative setup, the marketing team gathers to brainstorm ideas for a new campaign. Team members build on each other's suggestions, refining concepts together in real time. The result is a cohesive strategy developed through joint effort. Example, developing a software feature. A group of software engineers works together on a single feature for a product. While one member writes the code, another tests it, and a third refines the user interface. They collaborate synchronously, providing feedback and making adjustments in real time. Example, cross-functional product launch. For a product launch, the marketing, product development, and customer support teams collaborate closely. They hold regular meetings to align their strategies, share progress, and adjust plans based on each other's feedback. Example, designing a new office layout. An interior designer, facilities manager, and HR representative collaborate to create a new office layout. They discuss employee needs, budget constraints, and aesthetic preferences together, making decisions as a team. Example, resolving a complex customer issue. A customer has a unique problem requiring input from multiple departments. The support team, technical experts, and account managers collaborate to analyze the issue, share insights, and provide a customized solution. Cooperation versus collaboration. Comparison in the same scenario. Scenario: preparing a presentation for a client. Cooperation occurs when one team member gathers data, another creates slides, and a third rehearses the delivery. Each person works independently, contributing their part to the final presentation. Collaboration happens when the team works together in real time to develop the content, design slides, and rehearse. They discuss and refine ideas collectively, ensuring alignment and shared ownership of the final product. Scenario: organizing a team event. Cooperation happens when different members handle specific tasks. One books the venue, another arranges food, and a third coordinates invites. Tasks are divided and completed independently. Collaboration occurs when the team meets to discuss ideas for the event, jointly decides on the theme, and works together on all aspects, including logistics, food, and activities. Key takeaways. Cooperation is best for situations where tasks can be divided and completed independently. It's about enabling others to succeed with shared resources and support. Collaboration is ideal for scenarios requiring creativity, problem solving, and real-time interaction. It's about working together simultaneously to achieve a shared goal. Recognizing when to cooperate and when to collaborate enhances teamwork dynamics and overall success.